Morning guys, so the time is now 11:30 and I've not long got up, and of course I have my cup of coffee that I need in the morning to get me going. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all alright. Martin here. So it's Saturday and me and Mum have just finished getting ready. We're just waiting on a taxi and we're going out. We're going to Wilkinson's and Sainsbury's. So when I get home I'll do a little Wilkinson's shopping haul and a Sainsbury's haul. So I hope you're all having a good weekend.
Mind if we go out, I'll go.
Mother's shopping as well.
Hi. Come on, taxi, it's bloody cold.
Yeah.
And your nose is running.
Oh bless you.
Oh, I've got my key.
So yeah, some of my shopping centres there. I think you've seen before.
I was going to send him up.
Oh, our little friend. Right, so we're outside Sainsbury's at the moment. We're just waiting on a taxi to go home. Had a nice day out, haven't we? Hey, had a nice day out.
Oh yeah. What I want to do is just sit down there.
Yeah.
You know. No.
Been alright.
Yeah, my stomach's been alright.
Yeah.
It's cold. That's it.
Been a bit like ghost town though. There's not a lot of people out. Quite a few
that's that tape.
shops are closed. Yeah, so it's a bit like ghost town because some of the shops are closed. So just been to Sainsbury's, this is my shopping. So as soon as I get home, do a WILKO's and shopping haul. So here's my Wilkinson's haul. Picked that up. Little dog toy. That's the squeaky sprout. And the foil metal meter foil wrapping paper. I picked that up for £1.50 in WILKO's. And the dog
Martin's dress.
yeah, my dress, yeah. Dog costume. Oh, Christmas pudding, doggy costume. Picked that up. And some Christmas stickers, sticker rolls, where it's got to and from written on there. And there's 50 in a pack, so I thought I'd pick up 2. Got 100 of them. So there we go. Pick those up. So that's my little Wilkinson's haul. Not really a lot, but there's Soxy Woxy eating his din dins. So the dog costume was £3, the mini sprout toy was £2.50, and the Christmas sticky tags were £1 each, and the Christmas wrapping paper was £1.50. So my shopping in WILKO's today come to £9. And now on to my Sainsbury's haul. I'll show you what I picked up in Sainsbury's and how much it was. So I picked 2 of these up, the heart patch they're called, stick-ons. Oh, I got you one of these, Mum. One of those. I picked up some fresh pasta, picked that up, picture frame that reads "You are amazing," picked that up, and some Linda McCartney vegetarian meatballs, because I'm going to do pasta in sauce with some meatballs. I wanted corn meatballs but they didn't have any. And I picked up some salted pretzels in the shape of stars. They were £1.50. Oh, there they are. and some Walker's baked what's it, the giant ones. They're the flaming hot flavour. I like them. My snacky cupboard. So this was a little bit pricey. It was £6, but I couldn't resist because it just looks so nice. I picked that up. I might have a little bit with a cup of tea tonight, or wait till Christmas, I don't know. But picked that up. And I picked one of these up, the diffusers. That's for Mum's Christmas present. Lavender and whatever. That's, yeah, that. And a cat tea towel. A part of Mum's Christmas present, because she loves cats. And these smell really gorgeous. I wish you could smell them. Scented tea lights, black tulip, and I can't make that word out. But they smell really nice. Oh, here we go. Mahogany. Black tulip and mahogany. So they are really lovely. Really nice. Some essential oil hand cream, calming, lavender and cotton flower. Pick some of that up. And here's some tomato and basil sauce, which I'm going to mix in with the pasta and meatballs. And 2 lots of CDs. Picked up a Christmas CD. And the other one was Perfect Day. Picked that one up as well. And that's my lot. That is my Sainsbury's haul. Oh no, sorry, last but not least, some white fresh bread. Yeah, picked that up as well. Oh. There we go. Hey. Right. There's old Puss in the garden. Puss. Hello. Mum's found a place for a sticky heart. Yeah.
Or you will lose a great deal.
On that,
Nathan. That's it.
Oh yeah, Mum picked that up in Wilko's. How much was that?
£12.
£12.
Yeah.
And it's meant to be for Soxy Woxy, but
He's on my dressing gown.
on the dressing gown instead, yeah.
Any questions? I didn't have anything to do with it.
Right.
I don't know anything. Can you tell us your movements this
You
morning?
might go in it.
Yeah.
You've been in it tonight.
I had
It's
breakfast.
all nice and comfy.
I went to the library.
Yeah, soon. Might do.
Yes. I'm revising for my exams.
All
She
right.
invited me to go skiing with her.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. So I've got my dinner on the boil at the moment. This is the tomato and basil sauce. Cooking nicely with the Linda McCartney meatballs. Lovely jubbly. Steaming away.
0522 and give £2 a month to the donkey centre. Because terrible things are happening to donkeys. Please, do something incredible for them right now. You need to be pretty fit too.
To do these type of things.
Hey, so it's the afternoon. It's nearly getting on 6 o'clock. It's quarter to 6.
Now I'm not sure
Got my
how,
lovely
but
cup
he
of
was
tea.
able to convince Fenlerco to sell the
Cup of chai. I'm just chilling with Mum
so that he would be
at the
off
moment.
by the end
I
of
didn't
the
finish all my dinner. I weren't all that hungry. So, yeah, I didn't really finish all my dinner.
Julie.
But I've got a little bit of the Christmas cake.
This
It's very nice. Got loads of nuts, sultanas, cherries, nuts in it. It's very nice. It's a little bit rich, but it's okay. Snacking out on the pretzels.
Re-examining cases with the hopes of forgetting illegitimate damage.
Mum watching telly. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay.
You helped me.
I'm waking up. Oh, and there's Soxy, fast asleep.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I would, yes, accept any help to handle this issue.
So he hasn't gone in his bed yet. There's his new bed,
I don't know what
and
to
he's
say.
chosen to sleep on your.
I bet Foster getting.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, probably. He hasn't decided to go in his bed yet.
I bet he'd get in it.
He'll jump in there, won't he? Yeah. So I just want to say thanks again, everybody, for watching my video and channel. Thank you so much for supporting myself and my channel and my mum. I really do hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a massive great big thumbs up. That would really mean a lot if you did that. And go ahead and drop me a comment down below. And as you know, I will always reply back to you. Don't forget to click the notification bell at the side, and when you do that, that just lets you know when I've uploaded a video to YouTube. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you do like the look of my channel, please subscribe. That would really mean a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you have a really good weekend, the rest of it. And I will be back on here in the week with a couple of videos, some shopping haul videos, and like things just showing you what I got for my birthday and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, take care guys, and again, thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and like I say, have a good weekend, and don't forget, Marty will always love you. Mwah. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye. Bye. Oh, I'm still recording. Yeah.